Hi guys! Cordless circular saws are a staple power tool for carpenters, joiners, builders, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Armed with a robust circular serrated blade, these powerhouses make short work of softwood, hardwood, and plywood, and cut perfectly straight lines for accurate and professional jobs. Innovations in battery technology have given these power tools more runtime than ever before and can deliver cutting performance comparable to many corded models. So let's get started. Number 5. Yedra Brushless Circular Saws. This circular saws stand out as versatile tools capable of handling a wide range of cutting tasks with precision and efficiency. Designed for professional and DIY use alike, these saws excel in cutting solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, ceramic tiles, and more, making them indispensable in various construction and renovation projects. The standout features of the Yedra saws is their adjustable bevel cutting angle ranging from 0 degree to 45 degrees. This flexibility allows for precise multi-angle cutting, catering to diverse project requirements and ensuring accurate results. Equipped with a solid metal guide plate, these saws maintain consistent cutting depth along the workpiece surface, enhancing cutting precision and control. The inclusion of a soft rubber handle further enhances user comfort and grip, minimizing hand fatigue during prolonged use and providing better overall control. Safety features include a semicircular protective cover that shields users from dust and wood chips, ensuring a cleaner and safer work environment. The manual control switch and lock button further contribute to safe operation, allowing users to maintain control over the saw at all times. Weighing in with a lightweight design, the Yedra saws reduce operator fatigue and facilitate easy one-handed operation, enhancing maneuverability and productivity on the job site. The brushless motor technology employed in these saws ensures efficient operation and extends the machine's lifespan, making them a durable and reliable choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. The Yedra brushless electric circular saws combine versatility, safety features, ergonomic design, and durable construction to meet the demands of various cutting applications. Whether you're tackling woodworking projects, tile installations, or other tasks, these saws deliver consistent performance and precise results. The next is Number 4. Nanway Electric Circular Saw. This circular saw is a compact and portable tool designed for woodworking and light cutting tasks. Powered by a 12-volt lithium battery, this saw offers convenience and mobility without the need for a constant power source. The lithium charging capability ensures quick and efficient charging, allowing users to resume work swiftly. This electric circular saw is particularly suited for woodworking projects and can handle tasks such as cutting wood and even cloudstone, making it versatile for various applications. The compact size and lightweight nature of the Nanway 12-volt electric circular saw make it easy to maneuver and operate in tight spaces or overhead positions, ideal for intricate or detailed work. Equipped with a Type-C plug charging system, the saw supports modern charging standards, ensuring compatibility with a range of devices and providing ease of use. This feature allows users to charge the saw using common Type-C charging cables, enhancing convenience and accessibility. Despite its small size, the Nanway 12-volt electric circular saw delivers adequate power for its intended applications, providing reliable performance for both professional and DIY users. The rated voltage of 12 volts ensures consistent cutting power, allowing for precise and efficient cuts through various materials. Overall, the Nanway 12-volt electric circular saw is a practical choice for those seeking a portable, lightweight, and versatile cutting tool. Whether you're working on woodworking projects at home or need a convenient tool for on-the-go tasks, this saw offers the necessary features and performance to get the job done efficiently. The next is Number 3. WORX Woo 535 Woo 535X Circular Saw. This circular saw is a highly efficient and versatile tool designed for precision and power. Featuring a brushless motor, this saw provides superior performance and longevity compared to traditional brushed motors. The brushless technology reduces friction and heat buildup, ensuring a smoother operation and extending the tool's lifespan. One of the key features of the Woo 535 is its capability for both 45 and 90-degree cutting, offering flexibility for various cutting tasks. Whether you need to make precise angled cuts or straightforward crosscuts, this saw handles both with ease. This makes it an ideal choice for a wide range of projects, from basic carpentry to complex woodworking. The saw comes equipped with a 140mm blade, which is perfect for smaller, detailed cuts. Despite its compact blade size, the Woo 535 delivers powerful performance thanks to its 20-volt rated voltage. This ensures consistent power output, allowing you to tackle tough materials without sacrificing efficiency. Powered by the innovative PowerShare 5.0Ah battery, the Woo 535 offers extended runtime and reliable performance. The PowerShare system is compatible with other WORX tools, providing the convenience of using the same battery across multiple devices. This feature not only saves time but also reduces the need for multiple batteries, making your tool collection more efficient. In terms of design, the WORX Woo 535 prioritizes user comfort and ease of use. The lightweight and ergonomic design make it easy to handle, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The saw's compact size also allows for better maneuverability in tight spaces, enhancing its versatility. Overall, the WORX Woo 535 Cordless Circular Saw is a powerful and user-friendly tool suitable for both professional and DIY applications. Its brushless motor, flexible cutting capabilities, and efficient battery system make it a reliable and efficient choice for anyone in need of a high-quality cutting tool. The next is Number 2. Bosch GKS185LE Circular Saw. This circular saw is a professional-grade tool designed for efficiency and precision in various cutting tasks. Operating at a no-load speed of 5,000 RPM, this saw ensures swift and smooth cuts, making it a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its 165mm saw blade, coupled with a 20mm bore diameter, provides the versatility needed for a wide range of applications. One of the standout features of the GKS185LE is its impressive power-to-weight ratio. Weighing in at 4.9 kilograms, the saw is lightweight enough for easy maneuverability, yet sturdy enough to handle demanding tasks. This balance between weight and power ensures that users can work comfortably without compromising on performance. The saw operates on an 18-volt battery, offering the convenience of cordless operation while delivering ample power for cutting through various materials. This rated voltage ensures that the saw maintains consistent performance, even during extended use, making it a dependable tool for prolonged projects. Bosch has designed the GKS185LE with user comfort and ease of use in mind. The ergonomic design, combined with a well-balanced weight distribution, reduces user fatigue and enhances control during operation. This makes it easier to achieve precise cuts, even in challenging conditions. Additionally, the saw's build quality reflects Bosch's commitment to durability and reliability. Constructed with high-quality materials, the GKS185LE is built to withstand the rigors of frequent use, ensuring long-term durability. The cordless design also adds to its versatility, allowing users to work in various locations without being tethered to a power source. In summary, the Bosch GKS185LE Cordless Circular Saw combines power, precision, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for anyone in need of a high-performance cutting tool. Whether for professional use or DIY projects, this saw delivers reliable and efficient performance every time. The next is Number 1. Dewalt DCS391 Cordless Circular Saw. This circular saw stands out as a robust and versatile tool, perfect for both professional and DIY projects. This 165mm circular saw comes equipped with a 6/2-inch carbide-tipped blade and operates on a powerful 5,150 RPM motor, ensuring smooth and efficient cuts. One of its standout features is the 0 to 50 degree bevel capacity, allowing users to make a variety of angled cuts with precision. Designed with user comfort and efficiency in mind, the DCS391 features an improved ergonomic design and a rubber grip handle. This design not only enhances comfort but also reduces fatigue during extended use. The rubber overmold further optimizes user comfort, making it easier to handle for long periods. The ultra-thin kerf 165mm 24-tooth carbide-tipped blade is engineered for efficient runtime and fast, smooth cuts, capable of reaching a maximum depth of 55mm. This makes it suitable for a wide range of cutting tasks. Adjusting the bevel angle and depth of cut is made simple with a keyless system, which includes an easy-to-read scale, providing maximum cordless versatility. Durability is a key feature of the Dewalt DCS391. The tool boasts an extremely durable design, including a cast magnesium base, ensuring repetitive and accurate cuts. Additionally, the intelligent trigger allows for total control over all applications, enhancing precision and safety. For added safety, the DCS391 includes a lock-off switch and an electronic motor brake. These features provide additional control and help prevent accidents, making it a reliable choice for various cutting tasks. Overall, the Dewalt DCS391 cordless circular saw combines power, precision, and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for anyone in need of a high-performance cutting tool, so this is the best option for you to buy.